Our tour guide, Harry, picked me up from the hotel and we started off by visiting some temples and the Japanese bridge. I didn't expect so much walking, it was seriously a lot. So if you're planning to join this tour, definitely bring an umbrella and sunscreen. By the next day, my face and arms were already tanned from being out in the sun so much. We had a quick break while watching a traditional Vietnamese dance show, which was a nice way to cool down. The coconut basket boat ride was super fun, I really enjoyed it. What I loved most was having free time in the afternoon to just explore Hoi An at our own pace. At night, the streets were packed and full of energy. I also got a ticket for a boat ride where you can release floating lanterns. It felt like a scene straight out of the movie, Tangled. Overall, I had an amazing time and would totally recommend this tour. The van transfer from hotel to the old town was so convenient and it really arrives on time. The guide was a local and explains in English. The coconut ride was cool and fun and the lunch that came with it was delicious. We visited temple and local artists and watched a show. Guide was awesome, a little rush cuz to no fault of hers some of the PPL in the group were going off and solo taking pic even though she told us we had 4 hours to walk around after the tour. Food and coconut boat was awesome. This is one of the expensive trip for me. You pay 120,000 VND per head for the ticket to use unlimited toilet on some, 2, public toilet and limited entry to at least 5 special attractions is a little bit too much, otherwise you're just roam around and check on the expensive souvenirs. Though I enjoyed the coconut basket boat and the food. We even caught a crab. Lunch included was so good. They say this is a tourist trap, but this is the most fun tourist trap. Lol. Printed souvenir photo is cheap compared to other tourist sites, just 70 VND. The tour guide Harry was so nice and took good photos. He was also knowledgeable and could answer all questions, hee. Highly recommended, especially when you don't have much time here. The experience of visiting Hoi An was very memorable. The beautiful old town, and at night we released lanterns on the boat with a beautiful night view. We also rode a coconut boat to see the interesting rotating boat attraction. Thank you, Harry, our kind and patient tour guide. We had such an amazing time on the Hoi An city tour and coconut basket boat ride. The city tour was full of history and beautiful architecture, and the boat ride through the coconut forest was so unique. Our guide was friendly and knowledgeable, making the whole experience even better. We generally enjoyed the Hoi An day tour and would recommend this to travelers. Harry, our guide, told us lots of stories about Hoi An and made sure that we had fun. He even took photos of us during the coconut boat ride. He also answers our questions diligently. We enjoyed the coconut boat so much, my parents even danced on those karaoke coconut boats, smiley face emoji. We chose the 8:30 p.m. pickup time and we were not that bored because there are lots of places to chill at. By availing the 8:30 p.m. pickup, you can avail the lantern activity in the afternoon to evening. We even went to a massage place in the quiet part of Hoi An ancient town. Fun activity to do in Hoi An. Also happy to know history and stuff from here. I'm having a great time in Hoi An. Also my tour guide Tintin is an amazing, she is cheerful, helpful. Recommend her to be your tour guide. Red heart emoji, red heart emoji, red heart emoji.